Welcome to Lighthouse Worship, and my name is Hugo. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play the song I Trust in God. And so first you want to get your guitar. Once you get your guitar, get your hand, put it on the strings, and you want to play, you want to strum, you want to put your capo right here on the 4th fret, okay? And you want to strum G chord, E minor, C, A minor, and C again. And that's it. You know the song. Congratulations. Thanks for watching. No, I'm just kidding. Yes, we're going to go through it, the whole song. But first, I'm going to go ahead and play the song so you guys can hear it, how it sounds, how it goes. And then we'll go over the step by step. All right? Sounds good? Cool. Here it goes. Jesus is mine. He's been my 4th man in the fire, time after time, and born of His Spirit, and washed in His blood, and what He did for me on Calvary is more than enough. And I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never fail. He will never fail. I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never fail. He will never fail. So those are the verse and the chorus. We're going to go over it step by step. For the chorus, so like I mentioned before, you're going to want to put the capo on the 4th fret. If you want to play an original key, you don't need the capo. You could just take it off. But original key is a little high for me, so I moved it down to the key of B. So I'm playing G shapes on the key of B, but I moved the capo to the 4th fret. And so your G becomes a B. And so, yeah, that's how you do that. So for the beginning, you're going to do the intro. You're going to sing it, or you're going to play it twice. You're going to play your 1, which is your G. And then you're going to do it in A, your G. And then you're going to do your E minor, right? And then you're going to do your C chord. Okay? I don't know if you guys can see that. G, E minor, and C. After that, you're going to go to your A minor, which is your 2. And then you're going to play your C chord. Okay. So the verse goes, blessed assurance, G. Jesus is mine, your E minor. He's been my 4th. Play your C right there. Man in the fire. You're going to play your G time after to your A minor. So your G chord, you're going to play it real quickly. Then you move to your A minor. Okay? And then it repeats again. You're going to play born of His Spirit, G chord, to your E minor. Washed in His blood, what He did for me on Calvary So that's the whole verse. Strumming pattern, very simple. So it's gonna be down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So very simple at the beginning. It's very basic. So very mellow. Then we're gonna go into chorus. All right. As I trust in God, my Savior, the one who will never fail. He will never fail. I trust in God. So it's the same thing. You're playing the same chords for the chorus. Just a little more intensity with your strumming. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Most of this song, you go into verse. It's gonna be the same thing, the same chords, same progression. So I'm not gonna go over that. So the only last thing you might need to know is after the chorus, the second time. So you're gonna play your verse 1, then your chorus, right? Chorus, verse 2, and then after verse 2, you're gonna play chorus again. After chorus, you're gonna go into an interlude, and then you're gonna go into the bridge. So for the interlude, is the same thing, and I think the bridge is the same as well. The only thing is different is the lyrics and also like dynamics and when you build up. So I'm gonna go over the bridge real quick. Here it goes. This is how it sounds. Right, interlude right here. To your E minor. To your C. To your A minor. To your C. Sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. I sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. That's why I trust Him. That's why I trust Him. I sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. I sought the Lord, and He heard, and He answered. I sought the Lord. And so right there you go back into chorus, as you see. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Bridge, you play it softly at first. With the interlude, you play it twice, and then just build with it. You know, if you need to go back and see through the video, you can see how I build it. Also at the very end, whenever you were singing that's why I trust Him, that's why I trust in God, and then you go into the chorus right there. So there's no spaces between the bridge and the chorus. You just link it right together, and that's how you play I Trust in God. I hope this helped you. After the bridge, you could go back into the chorus or back bridge again. It's up to you. But that's how the song's played for the most part. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. So consider subscribing. And yeah, peace out.